go with this ugly woman. Funny. Callaloo. Them ugly woman in come from Jamaica.
This is so good. Hey guys, hey. Who did that message me? Hey guys, hey. Let's go grocery shopping. My favorite thing to do because y'all know your girl likes to cook, so obviously I'm gonna love grocery shopping. I love a good grocery day, so we're gonna go do March. Win March, yeah. March month's grocery shopping. Just a wait on Jermaine because he's at the gym and he feel like he need to be at the gym for hours. Like, well, it's been 1 hour, but still. Oh, see, he just messaged you ready. Yes, I'm ready. So let's go, guys. He might tell me about me must get ready. Come to the van. Come to the van with the cart because he's ready. But I come at the van. I'll let him not reach the van. So now I have to go get him at the gym.
Make sure the catch ready. Condo on the bank, the crossroad. From the money reach a land and then the run I can't joke. The ring loads calling on me in soul. Every day me like I can hold that money box. Money up the life trendy. One me no bad no boy, gonna me no lend me. Machine get no boy, how me sound empty. In a me zone.
Come grocery shop with me, guys. So today we'll be doing a little knickknacks pickup. What you guys think the bill will come to today? Drop it in the comments before you guys even watch the video, and stay till the end because I'll be making a nice seafood boil for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Turn on your notifications so you guys can get notified of when I post in the future. Okay, let's go. So basically today is the heavy shopping. We do go shopping at like different times throughout the month, like just to have pick-me-ups, but we'll be getting most of our stuff today, and then throughout the month we'll pick up some other stuff. But yeah, stay tuned to see what I grab and how much it will cost. Jamaica, product of Nigeria. That makes sense. Checking our groceries. Get up.
She get nice ear style.
Come down. You want corn?
Who did your hair? Tell the vlogs to me do your.
I did my hair for you. Should I make seafood boil?
Yeah, just pick them up and make me do it. You know I do seafood boil the best.
Cut the vlog. Maybe like shrimp with head.
The one we always get.
No, for the seafood boil. You have to use the big ones. Like these big shrimp ones. Or those ones, but I don't like those ones.
You like them gummy.
Okay, maybe we get this one.
Hold on to.
Yo, can you make some crawfish soup? Not this time. Next time. But fully cooked already, no one else. But this would be good for the thing. I could get the one out of the shell.
This I one more time, so.
This year.
Down
The
the
shell
front.
look good. But this one's $15 and this one's $8.
And this are more work.
And these are more work. Yeah, but it's like what? Two claws, two in there. Watch out. What the hell? $21 feet.
And a $50 fee if you buy from the place.
Yeah. But I just shrimp in there. This one's $18. And it has crab. But me not trust them.
With them seasoning.
You want a snapper? Or tilapia? Red snapper for $21. You want
Tilapia.
Them money look uglish.
One more
Okay,
time.
we could do sausage. We're not for the lobster. I really want a lobster. You want lobster?
One lobster tail.
They don't have any.
Sausage for days. Check out my belly.
Cran mango?
Belly, big belly, you know.
No worry. Remember
This is
me
my
editing.
vlog.
Remember me
Hey,
editing.
don't edit this.
Remember me
Make
editing.
the people them see me I work on my belly. People, me I work on the belly. See it?
Come on, babe. Make it vlog to say you not help me push a cart.
See there, me I push it.
You're right. You want a cocktail tomorrow? You want a cocktail tomorrow?
Yeah, no, anything. Let me sing a little song for you, vlog. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Stop.
Shall I stay, or will it
Stop wasting my
be
mind.
too late? Janelle, but I can't help
Stop
falling in love with you. Say that again.
I said you say you're going to make the seafood boil, so live up to it.
I used to them sauce, I'm used to Jamaican
You see nobody
seasoning.
have put Jamaican seasoning for seafood boil?
We have the sauce.
Take a wrap. Can I wrap them when you take a little wrap them?
This year, this bad man.
Little baby wrap them, you go buy what they What is this? Some Mexican something. Yeah, they only have gross coconut milk. So sell the cheese for $8.
I go with this ugly woman funny Callaloo. Them ugly woman ain't come from Jamaica. Nah. What? Sorry with ginger. First me I hear about the tea then. Heard about ginger tea, but not sorrel tea. Wonder if I should try it.
Two in the door.
To be sure I get. Are they not look nice?
We get it 2-pack. You know one buy a big one and then in a place. We try the 2-pack. I saw that the video man did a good job, you know, guys.
Would you like your potatoes in the bag?
Yes, please. Okay. How much you think the bill is gonna be? I say how much you say? $2.50?
65.
No, you can't change it. You said $2.50 already.
265.
I'm gonna say $2.50.
Alright.
No. $2.80. This is a theme part of the job, guys. Right? You're a part of the job?
I'm Jeremy. I do a better job.
Please come down.
So in grocery, Jeremy do a better job than Channel.
Where the egg them?
The egg.
No, you say you had a better job, so you should know.
See egg up, listen.
That's right. The bill came to $2.75 and change. So technically, I win. He lost. So here we have it, guys. Everything to make our seafood boil. We have our potato, corn, crab, shrimp, and we'll be using some Cajun smoked sausage. That is so delicious. So we're going to start off with our water, and we're going to add all the flavors to our water to give it nice taste for the boil. So we're adding in our thyme, onion, lemon slices. We're going to add some garlic in there also, and then we are going to season our pot. So in our seasoning, we're going, of course, with our Old Bay seasoning. Then we're following with a Cajun seafood seasoning. That is some all-purpose. We're going to put some salt, pepper, chili flakes. I also saw some liquid seafood boil seasoning in the grocery store, so I'm adding some of that to the pot also. I'll put a picture on the screen of what it is, and yeah, you guys just get into it. Season the pot. The pot needs to have flavor, guys, because remember, this is what's like the seafood will be boiling in. So we're going to stir this around And then we're going to taste our pot. I also did add some adobe seasoning there. So that's what you just see I added last. We're going to stir our pot and we'll be tasting to see what that tastes like. If it's not up to your liking, we're going to adjust the flavor. So that's what you guys see me doing there. I didn't put the spoon to my mouth. I put the thing in my hand and then I taste it. Now, not up to par, so I'm going to go back in with some of my Cajun seafood seasoning that you can either buy at the grocery store, guys, or you can look for a simple recipe online to do it. I added some more salt and I also added some more Old Bay seasoning to the pot. And then we're going to taste that again, and if it's up to par, then of course we're going to move forward. We're going to let that water come to a boil. In the meantime, we're going to go in and make our butter. So it's just melted butter with garlic, and we're also putting in all the seasons I mentioned above. So I'm going to add my crab to the boiling water, guys, and let that cook. Once that's cooked, we're going to add our garlic, herb, butter to our crab and seafood boil. Now for the cooking of the seafood, they all cook at different temperature, guys, so I'm going to put that down in the comments and you guys can see what I cook each thing at. So this is it, guys. It looks so yummy. This was so good, not even just look yummy, guys. May I tell you something? I outdo myself with the one here. I'm gonna eat some right now as we speak. Guys,
just be nice and take it one step at a time. We will be there to help you. If there's anything we can do, yeah, we come around.
this is so good.
Your own, right?
Baby,
This
like
is
it?
so good. A lot of people have friends in Cayman, like Miss Kim,
Baby.
Mama and Grandma. Those people pray for us every time. I mean, I
I'm
give
busy.
a lot of respect.
And
We
yeah.
have a lot of people out here who respect the channel, who talk to us more time than talk to me. I said, Mr. Joker, please, I'm asking you, just kind of cool down off of the bad
Everything
words.
just delicious.
Every time you hear the bad words from me, it's maybe when I'm on something that I'm feeling scared.
Guys, all the food's sweet, man. Don't forget to do an outro. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.